Hello students, welcome to We Enjoy Studies. In our previous class, we have done exercise 3.1 of class 6 maths. If you want to get these videos, you can go to my channel We Enjoy Studies. So in our today's class, we are going to introduce prime and composite numbers. See, I'm not going to introduce the definition of prime and composite numbers in front of you because I'm giving you some examples, and with these examples you can come to the definition of prime and composite numbers. You will definitely understand about prime and composite numbers, and these things, this topic will definitely help you to do the exercise 3.2 of your book. So I have written numbers 1 to 12. I'm going to find the factors here, and we will write the number of factors in this column. So let us start. Number 1. How many factors are there? Can you find the factors of number 1? Yes, definitely. Number 1 has only one factor, that is 1. And number of factors is 1. 2. 1 is a factor. 2 is a factor, right? So number of factors are 2. 4 factors. 1 is a factor. 3. 1 is a factor. 2 is a factor? No. Then 3 is a factor. So these are number of factors are 2. 4. 1 is a factor. 2 is a factor. 3 is not a factor. 4 is a factor. So number of factors are 3. 5. Number of factors are 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, just 5. Number of factors are 2. 6. Factors, 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is not a factor, because if we divide 6 by 4, we will definitely get remainder. 5 is not a factor, and then 6 is a factor. So we have number of factors are 4, 7, 1 and 7. So number of factors are 2. 8. Factors are 1, 2, 3 is not a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is not a factor, 6 is not a factor, 7 is not a factor, and 8 is a factor. So we have number of factors are 4. What about 9? 1, 3, yes, come on. 4 nahi. 5, no. 6, no. 7, 8, no. Only 9. 1, 3 and 9. Number of factors are 3. What about 10? 1, 2, 3 is not a factor, 4 is not a factor, 5 is a factor, 6 is not a factor, 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10 is a factor. So number of factors are 4. What about 11? 1 and 11 are only factors. So number of factors are 2. What about 12? 1, 2, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 5 is not a factor, 6 is a factor, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are not factor, and 12 is a factor. So number of factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of factors are 6. Now students, I'm going to highlight some numbers here. Okay. See, I'm going to highlight this number. Number 2, its factors and its number of factors. Number 3, its factors and number of factors. Number 5, right? Number 7. Number 11. Now, just look at these numbers very carefully. Can you find some similarity in these numbers, in factors and its number of factors? Number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Yes, very much right. We can see that these numbers have only 2 factors. 2 factors, 2 factors, 2 factors, 2 factors and 2 factors. And see the factors 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 5, 1, 7, 1, 11. So these numbers have only one factor and the number itself, right? So these numbers are called prime numbers, right? These numbers are called prime numbers. So I think now you have understood about what is a prime number, right? So the definition is very easy. What is the definition of prime number? That the numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime number, right? Now let us move to find the composite numbers. See, now 1 has only one factor, right? What can we do? We can put the cross on this number. Now talk about other numbers which are not highlighted here. This is 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12. What can you find here? That the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12, the factors of these numbers are more than 2, right? 4 has 3 factors, 6 has number of factors are 4 here, 8 has 4 factors, 9 has 3 factors, 10 has 4 factors and 12 has 6 factors. So we can say that these numbers have more than 2 factors. So if the number have more than 2 factors, this number is called simply a composite number. Number 12, 10, 9, 6, 4. These numbers are called composite numbers, right? These numbers are composite numbers. So now you can come to the definition of composite numbers. So now the definition is these are numbers having more than 2 factors like 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 and so on. These numbers are called composite numbers. So the definition is numbers having more than 2 factors, right? Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. So now you know the meaning of prime number and composite numbers. Now we came to know about prime and composite numbers. So I have a question for you, that what about this number 1? You know that number 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. It's very interesting thing, students, that number 1 is not a prime number and not a composite numbers, right? Now students, I have written number 1 to 100 here. Number 1 to number 100. Now if I say you that just find the prime and composite numbers from 1 to 100. So can you find the prime numbers and composite numbers here? Yes, you can find, because you know that how to find a prime number and how to find a composite numbers. What can you do? That you can just find the factors of these numbers and then you can tell that the numbers have 2 factors. So it's a prime number and more than 2 factors. So this is a composite number. But a very interesting thing that we can find the numbers that this is a prime number or composite number without finding its factors. You know how? It's a very interesting method. This method is called sieve of Eratosthenes. You know how to find the factors now? Don't go to find the factors. We can find a prime and composite number without this method. See, just put the cross on 1. You already know why I have put the cross on 1, because you know that 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. Now, what to do? Just encircle the number 2. Just encircle this number. 2 is a prime number because 2 has only two factors, 1 and a number itself. And now find the multiples of 2. Just find the multiple of 2 and put the cross on it. 4 is a multiple of 2. 4, 6, now we have put the cross on the multiples of 2. Now can you find the prime number after 2? 3 is a prime number. Yes, we know 3 is a prime number. So just encircle number 3. Now find the multiples of 3 and simply put the cross on it. Multiples of 3. 6. Already cross. 9. After 3, which is a prime number? 5 is a prime number. Now just put the cross on the multiples of 5. 10. Now just see, after 5, 7 is a prime number. So just encircle number 7. Now find the multiples of 7. This is 14 and 98. Now what to do now? Just find the another prime number. This is 11. Now find the multiples of 11 and put the cross. 11 2s are 22. 22. 8 crossed. 99 crossed. Now after 11 we have 13 is a prime number. Just encircle the number. Find the multiples of 13 and put the cross. Now find the another number. 17 is a prime number. Now put the cross on the multiples of 17. So in this way we can easily find the prime and the composite numbers. Now after 17 we can see that 19 number is already a prime number because it has only two factors. What about 29? You can see that 29 has two factors, 1 and the number itself. This is also a prime number. 31. So we are not going to find its multiple. We are just finding now the prime numbers. 37 is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. 47 is a prime number. Now what about 53? 53 is a prime number. 59 is a prime number. 61 is a prime number. 67 is a prime number. 71 is a prime number. 73 is a prime number. 79 is a prime number. 83, 89, 97. These are the prime numbers. So following this method we can easily find the prime numbers and the composite numbers. So all the encircled numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, all the encircled numbers are prime numbers and all the crossed out numbers are composite numbers other than 1. So now we understood about prime number and the composite number. Just learn one thing, that 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. So in our next class we will do exercise 3.2 with the help of prime and composite numbers. So if you like the video, If you find that the video is useful for you, then please share the video and subscribe my channel. We enjoy studies.